downside. The ASX 200 is off about 0.9%. A lot of selling in Seoul too. The Kospi is down 1.7%. SK Hynix trading 7% lower. SK Hynix's quarterly revenue more than doubled. And initially, this created some excitement about AI hardware persisting. And listen to this number. Revenue for its high bandwidth memory surged more than 250%. But the stock is tumbling this morning. Investors are stating the case. They've kind of soured on the promise of AI. And part of that was embodied with NVIDIA's drop of 6.8%. And as I mentioned, down about 19% now in its 52-week high. Some of the other markets that we're watching trading in, we've got in Taiwan, the TAIEX is not in action today because it's day 2 of closure due to the typhoon that was in the area, and Philippines as well. In Singapore, the Straits Times Index is down about 0.6%. The yen is stronger, the dollar is weaker. Right now, dollar yen 153.04. The euro trading at $1.08, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury is at 4.26%. The 10-year 4.41. So 15 difference between 2s and 10s. And that is a look at the market. Let's get down to Ed Baxter in San Francisco. Headline news.
All right, thank you, Brian. President Biden addressed the nation for the first time since this night.
I always try the best way forward is to pass the torch to a new generation. That's the best way to unite our nation. You know, there is a time and a place for long years of experience in public life. There's also a time and a place for new voices, fresh voices, yes, younger voices.
And he says that there's a lot to do in the last 6 months of his presidency, and he will be busy doing it. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in front of Congress today, defending the war in Gaza, asking for more help. Fiery speech, not mentioning an end to the war except in the context of victory, touting the alliance.
For the forces of civilization to triumph, America and Israel must stand together.
And he says that more funding is needed immediately to protect against Iran. He says Israel's security in Gaza will be needed for the foreseeable future. Now, the Biden administration is continuing to say that a peace agreement may be very close. The party is in full steam ahead, Democratic Party, at fundraising as Kamala Harris was out today.
When we organize, mountains move. When we mobilize, nations change. And when we vote, we make history.
Global news 24 hours a day, whenever you want it, with Bloomberg News Now in San Francisco. I'm Ed Baxter. This is Bloomberg on the New York Cup.
Ed, thanks. So after the bell today, we heard from Ford Motor. The company posted quarterly profit below estimates. It seems as though quality problems with new vehicles led to a surge in warranty costs. And we got some insight from Ford's Chief Financial Officer, John Lawler. He spoke earlier with Bloomberg's Scarlett Fu and Shonali Bosick.
We reaffirmed guidance for the year, our adjusted EBIT guidance between 10 and 12 billion. We increased our free cash flow guidance by $1 billion. You know, this is one quarter along the journey towards reshaping the company as we transform, as the industry transforms. And it's not going to be a straight line up. But I think the positive here is that we're on track for the year, consistent with what we said at the beginning of the year, and our cash flow is coming in better. So, you know, we're moving forward, fixing the business, reshaping the company, and really leaning into the strengths we have with Ford Pro and with Ford Blue, and really driving increased sales in our electric business with our hybrid sales, up 34% this quarter, 9% of our mix. So we're seeing strengths in many different areas across the business, but again, full year, we're on track.
Full year, you're on track. I know that in the past, Ford has projected EV losses of up to $5.5 billion this year. At what point will Ford make a profit on EVs?
Well, in the quarter, you saw that we reduced our costs in our EV business in Ford Model E. We're working towards profitability with our second-gen vehicles, which will be ground up, all new platforms that we're developing. And, you know, we won't launch those vehicles unless they are profitable in the first year of sales. So that's what we're focused on right now, fixing that business, lowering the costs until our second-generation vehicles come out, and continuing to drive, positive performance across both Blue and Pro.
So
focused on improving quality. We're seeing it in our internal numbers, and you're seeing it validated from third parties. So that's the important thing.
Damn,
and
dude.
then
That's
over
not how you
time, that will
merge.
start to show up through lower warranty costs as those quality numbers come through our consumers and come through our products there, and we're launching in the markets today.
You know, I'm looking at the Ford Blue business, which is your ICE business, and
It's a woman
on a revenue
driving,
line,
too.
it looks like it did better than
Wow,
expected. But when it
so-
comes to EBIT, $1.17 billion compares with the estimate of $2.43 billion. What happened to account for that big miss on the EBIT line for Ford Blue?
There's two things in there. One, most of the warranty increase was in Ford Blue. The other thing is, in the first half, second quarter, and in the first half, we were launching a number of vehicles, and with those launches came higher costs. Now, in the second half, we expect Ford Blue to do much better than they did in the first half. We'll have a new F-Series in the marketplace running at full capacity. We have the launch of the new Explorer. We have the Ranger, and then we've increased capacity on our Bronco. So the second half for Ford Blue will be much stronger than the first half because we'll be through all these launches and we'll have a lot more product in the marketplace, and those are very profitable products for us in our lineup.
Okay, so the warranty impact, it sounds like, John, was a one-time thing, not something that will be recurring. What does this mean in terms of how you're looking at your costs? Will there be more significant cost cuts?
Yeah, we're working on reducing our costs intensely. It's an incredible focus by the team. Really, it's really the quality and cost reductions. That's our opportunity in the near term to really improve the business. The team's focused on it. There will be additional cost reductions. We're on track to take $2 billion in material costs out, manufacturing costs, freight costs, and we're going to look to, accelerate that progress.
Is John Lawler, the Chief Financial Officer at Ford Motor, in conversation there with Scarlett Fu and Ian Olson Crossing. Ford stock was trading down by more than 10%. A look at the hour's top news stories that's on the way. This is Bloomberg.
Live from the Interactive Broker Studio, broadcasting coast to coast. Bloomberg 1130 New York. Bloomberg 99.1 Washington. Bloomberg 106.1 Boston. Bloomberg 960 San Francisco. Sirius XM 121. The Bloomberg Business app and Bloomberg.com. This is Bloomberg Daybreak Asia.
Our money just after 9:31 in the morning in Hong Kong. I'm Ryan Curtis.
Yeah, I'm Doug Christner at Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio in New York. We had a sell-off in the States among the mega cap tech stocks. Nasdaq and Hong tumbling by more than 3.6%. And if you look across Asia, a lot of taking a closer look at the price action coming up right now.
Nice. Reckless. The work truck right there. Very reckless. I hope he gets the truck in bad accident. That's what he's asking.
featured a bloated capital expense. Tesla plunged more than 12% after CEO Elon Musk offered scant details about his company's self-driving vehicle initiative. In New York, Charlie Pellets, Bloomberg Radio.
After the Bell Bank of America authorized another $25 billion stock buyback plan, this will go into effect on August 1st. B of A is the second largest lender in the state. Last month, it announced a plan to boost its dividend. That after passing the Fed's annual stress test. B of A shares were up in the regular session by about 0.7%. Oh, that quote, I'm sorry, Brian, was happening in the late U.S. session. Over to you.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit more about what's happening with rates in China. We mentioned a few moments ago that PBOC had done a cut in the MLF. Also, ICBC and Agricultural Bank of China yesterday lowered rates on deposit products. Both banks cut rates on deposits of 2 years by more than 20 30 basis points. It eases pressure on profit margins following earlier cuts to lending rates. The move follows a cut to the Chinese benchmark lending rates earlier in the month. It's part of an effort to...
That is not how you make a turn. You cannot
And
cut
we've
the
got
corner.
more details today from CrowdStrike about what triggered last Friday's global IT failure. Here's Bloomberg's Denise Pellegrini.
The cybersecurity company says its security content configuration updates to customers
seems
are
so much,
intended to help
but-
observe, detect, and prevent malicious activity. But last Friday, what it calls a problematic rapid response content configuration update carried an error and crashed Windows systems instead. In a preliminary report, CrowdStrike says it failed customers, and it's now promising to improve testing of rapid response content and stagger future deployments of updates. So they're tested piecemeal before being rolled out. And the company also says it plans to make it easier for customers to select when and where they deploy CrowdStrike updates. Denise Pellegrini, Bloomberg Radio.
Again, the PBOC has cut the main policy rate in China by 20 basis points to 2.30%. Also conducting some monetary operations there, injecting $235 billion with reverse repo.
Get the news you need to start your day in just 15 minutes.
We began with the 2024 presidential election.
More clues on the future of U.S. interest rates.
Wake up with Bloomberg Daybreak, U.S. edition. New tension between the White House and Israel. Shohei Ohtani's 2 home runs available now on your podcast feed. Each weekday morning at 6 a.m. Eastern.
Another day, another record for stocks.
Subscribe to Bloomberg Daybreak, U.S. edition on Apple, Spotify, and everywhere you get your podcasts. Bloomberg Radio. Context changes everything.
When was the last time I took a road trip? How many national parks did I hit in 2 weeks? What about hotels? Wait, hey Erica, how much am I spending on travel?
When your questions about life turn into questions about money, there's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter. Only from Bank of America. What would you like the power to do? Erica is only available in the English language. You must download the latest version of the mobile banking app, only available on select mobile devices. Your chat may be recorded and monitored for quality assurance. Message and data rates and additional charge made by Bank of America and a member FDIC.
Trying to understand Asia is like piecing together a giant jigsaw puzzle. 40 countries and more than 2,000 languages. Asia is home to some of the fastest growing economies, and it can be incredibly hard to cover this part of the world. So we're starting the Big Take Asia, a weekly news podcast from the I'm Juan Ma. I've been covering Asia news for more than a decade at Bloomberg. Listen to Big Take Asia every Wednesday, wherever you get your podcasts.
Join us in Atlanta or via live stream on August 22nd for Bloomberg's Business Value of AI event and networking reception. This event will gather business and technology executives to share their experiences and provide insights into their strategies for deploying AI that achieves a desirable ROI. You'll also learn how companies have successfully implemented AI solutions that have improved productivity and profitability. This program is proudly sponsored by IBM. Register at bloomberglive.com/AI/radio.
What could you do if your data was working for you and not against you? With Bloomberg delivering enterprise data directly to your systems, you get easy access to the details you want, optimized for higher level analysis, and financial data experts committed to helping you maximize your every move. Our data is made for more, so you can show the world what you're made of. Visit Bloomberg.com/enterprise data to learn more.
Small business owners, we know finishing your to-do list can feel like rowing upstream, but it's a river, a whitewater river, and the only paddles you have are pool noodles. Then when a new to-do pops up, you're like, nope, I'm already rowing upstream with these pool noodle paddles. At Progressive, we don't want to make your day any harder. That's why we make it easy to get personalized discounts with the commercial auto insurance quote online, so your to-do list is smooth sailing. See if you can save on commercial auto insurance in as little as 7 minutes at ProgressiveCommercial.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Coverages and discounts not available in all states and subject to policy terms and underwriting. Bloomberg Radio, on demand and in your podcast feed.
On the latest edition of the Bloomberg Intelligence Podcast, a conversation with Sunny Kalsi, Co-Chief Executive Officer of BGO, on the state of commercial real estate.
When you think after 34 years, you see everything, and you always get asked to compare cycles, and every cycle is different, and this one is definitely different. The context around it is, you just pick the asset class that's been hit the worst in the last 4 years, right? 2 years of a pandemic, call it, where people were working from home and a bunch of other stuff, and then you've got it piling on in terms of kind of bad secular news for the office sector, right? Work from home was one problem. I'm a real estate owner, so I think it's a problem. Work from home is one problem, which never would have happened without technology like Zoom. But then you have AI. You have a bunch of other stuff coming, which are all going to come
Of
after
course, that's
jobs,
to leave
presumably.
junk in here. He always fucking does.
Office.
He always leaves
Like
something
New York City
here.
is
Dump that.
probably the, if you want to think about
Like-
lower left, if that's the bad place to be,
Leaves
that's a bad
crap.
place to be, right? I do agree when the baby gets thrown out with the bathwater and they say all real estate is bad. You know, people focus on that because it's kind of what's present, right? We're talking about how the streets and out here and the retailers are all empty that used to be here. That's what you see, right? What you don't see as much is people are still living somewhere. You still get your goods and services somehow. Those are coming to you from a warehouse somewhere as opposed to coming to you because you're going to a store. Not that those haven't been immune. Right. But office, it's been tough. And honestly, I don't see it getting better in the near term.
Hear the full conversation on the latest edition of the Bloomberg Intelligence Podcast. Subscribe on Apple, Spotify, and anywhere else you get your podcasts. Plus, listen anytime on the Bloomberg Business app and Bloomberg.com.